So for customizing, let's add a little bit of this paper element to these ones as well because they're too simple. And I could also add the circles that I added here. So I'm going to copy this, paste it, send it back, and maybe make it that green. Let's see, flip it horizontal. Could be up here. All right. And I'm just gonna make this longer. Ungroup, bring it down. It's gonna be around research, healthy. I could even get rid of it really if I want to. Come to elements. Again, paper. Send back. I'm trying to find a good, although it would look nice if I could get rid of this and have the text on the piece of paper. This is of course too dark. I need to change that. Let me bring this again so I don't lose the corner. All right, send back. Now for this one, let's see. Could also be something like this. Let's make this a little brighter. All right, I've actually decided to get rid of the animated thing for now. Okay, and I'm going to use the circle that I mentioned here. So again, get rid of this. Bring this one down here and maybe have it like this. Change the color. Bring this forward. Or let me see. Actually, I prefer it to be back. And I could have a larger body of text. And that will go here. So always do it in a way where you could visualize it. So I'm just going to kind of paste the same thing here, which later I will replace with actual information. But I'd just like to see if I were to write a short paragraph, how much space am I leaving in terms of design? Trying to make sure these two line up. All right, and I could replace this corner with actually a piece of paper. So let's rotate. Okay, good. I want to make sure the paper is behind the photo, and I'm gonna make it brighter. All right. Now, okay, I added the paper background, but I'm just gonna paste. Let me do that again. So let me ungroup this, copy and paste some of these just to visualize how crowded it would be. Because in the end, you are presenting information, but a good idea to always have in mind with presentations is that you don't want to overcrowd it, because people get bored. That's why we have a business plan or a more complex plan following up the presentation. This is just to kind of present the general ideas. So it could be, let's say, the company. And right now I'm using a mix of fonts, as you can see. So this is the multi-bold. This is the Signica. You can do, as long as there is some harmony, you could definitely do a mix. And actually, I'm going to change this shade of green. All right, I'll come back to that. But the company, it could be the problem, the solution. So the problem. Maybe I want the whole page to have this texture. Okay, I like that much more. But I do have to change the brightness, so let me make it way brighter. So the company, the problem. Maybe this could be the solution. Or I think I'm going to make this, yeah, that could be the solution. And then, let's see, targeted problems. You could break it down. So targeted problems, our advantages, our competition, like it could be very different. So the solution, maybe more in depth. And here, I'm just going to write, for example, 1, the company. And here it's going to be like 101, targeted markets, 1.2, the current market, number 3, future market, so 1.3, all right, and so on and so forth. So now just gonna scroll through, make sure I'm satisfied with what I have so far. Let's see about this slide. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna copy some of these shapes here. Send that back. Okay. Bring it here.